Push mo yan.
Alright, thank you Ate Kin. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. And welcome back to Fiesta with Rapa Pinoy Radio. So we are on week 7 now. The 17th. We're the 17th. So belated happy Valentine's to everybody. So ang spotlight of the week natin ngayon, yung featured article natin would be a person, not an event for this week. But before that, if you remember, meron kaming pakulo na pinaplano talaga. And the first one, ito yung magiging instructions. Now, we have this, what we call the Filipino bogtong or Filipino riddles. If you can guess the correct answer during the show, and then you will win a $30 voucher. $30 lang po muna yan, pero tataas po yan eventually pag makakita pa tayo ng mas maraming mga sponsor. So, hulaan nyo lang po yung sagot or the answer to the riddle for our Kiwi friends. I will translate it in both English and in Filipino. So, our riddle for today is in Filipino, may mata pero di nakakakita, may pakpak pero di lumilipad. Sa tubig ako'y sumasayaw, ngunit sa lupa ang aking tahanan. In English, I have eyes but cannot see. I have wings but cannot fly. I dance upon the water, yet the land is where I rest. So, if you can give the correct answer, you will win the $30 voucher. So, all you have to do is contact us live on stage, on air, at 027 463 8334. That's 027-463-8334. You can answer it during the show. If not, tuloy po yan siya sa next na episode. So for our Kiwi friends, if you know the answer, just give us a call, 027-463-8334. And get the chance to win a $30 voucher. Yes, yung feature article for the spotlight of the week is a person based in Featherstone. So, ang title po is A Man of Many Talents and a Heart for Community. In the rolling hills of the Wairarapa, where the dairy farms stretch as far as the eyes can see, one man stands out not only for his professional expertise, but also for his unwavering dedication to his family, faith, and community. Our featured person for today is no other than Mr. Dennis Abaton, fondly known as Shosho, a dairy farm manager, a musician, a devoted family man, and a pillar in the Wairarapa Filipino community. With a social media following of over 56,000. So the article, I got the figure, got it wrong. It's 56,000 followers. He has become a beloved figure, inspiring others through his talents, values, and commitment to service. So he's a dairy bar. By profession, Dennis is a dairy farm manager, a role that requires hard work, discipline, and deep understanding of the land. His dedication to his work is evident in the way he manages his farm, ensuring that it is not only thrives economically but operates sustainably. For Dennis, farming is more than just a job, it's a way of life that connects him to the land and the community that depends on it. His expertise and work ethic had earned him respect among his peers, making him a role model in the agricultural sector. Beyond the farm, Dennis is a talented musician who finds joy in playing the guitar. His love for music is not just a hobby but a way to bring people together. When he's strumming a heartfelt ballad or leading a lively tune at gatherings, Shosho's music resonates with people of all ages. His performances often become the highlight of gatherings, creating an atmosphere of joy and connection. Through his music, Dennis shares his passion and spread positivity, reminding us of the universal language of melody and rhythm. At the core of Dennis' life is his family. He is a loving husband to Ellen Yen Abaton and a proud father to 3 teenage boys. His social media posts often reflects his deep love and pride for his family, showcasing moments of togetherness, laughter, and celebration. Dennis believed that strong families are the foundation of a strong community, and he leads by example, nurturing his children with values of kindness, hard work, and faith. His role as a family man is one of he cherishes deeply, and it's clear that his family is his greatest source of strength and inspiration. Dennis' commitment to service extends beyond his family and profession. He is the household head for the Couples for Christ Wairarapa, a role that reflects his dedication to his faith and desire to support other families in their spiritual journeys. Through this organization, Dennis helps strengthen marriages and families, fostering a sense of unity and shared purpose within the community. He is also an active member of the Featherston Catholic Church, where he contributes his time and talents to the parish's music ministry. Dennis's presence in the church is a testament to his faith and belief in the power of community. With over 56,000 followers on social media, Dennis has built a platform that allows him to share his life values, and his passion for music in a wider audience. His posts often reflect his genuine personality, showcasing his love for family and love for music. Through his online presence, Dennis inspires others to live with purpose, embrace their culture, and find joy in the simple things like singing. His authenticity and relatability have made him a beloved figure not just in the Wairarapa scene, but also amongst Filipinos and music enthusiasts worldwide. Looking ahead, Dennis remains committed to making positive impact in the community, where it's through his work on the farm, his music, his involvement in faith-based and cultural initiatives, he continues to lead by example. Dennis believes in the power of collaboration and always looking for ways to bring people together for the greater good. His vision for Wairarapa is one of unity, growth, and opportunity, a place where families thrive, cultures are celebrated, and everyone feels a sense of belonging. Dennis Abaton is more than just a dairy farmer, musician, or a community leader. He is a man who embodies the values of hard work, faith, and service. His ability to balance his professional life, family responsibilities, and community involvement is truly remarkable. Through his actions, Dennis reminds us of the importance of living with purpose, staying connected to our roots, and giving back to those around us. He is a shining example of what is to live a life of meaning and impact. His contributions to his family, profession, and community are testament to the power of dedication, passion, and love. As we celebrate Dennis' achievements and the positive influence he continues to have, we are reminded of the strength and the beauty of the Wairarapa community and the incredible individuals like Sosyo who make it all possible. So yan po yung ating ngayon, featured personality of the week, si Mr. Dennis Sosyo Abaton of Featherstone. So, magaling talaga yan siya na musician.
That is so delightful to listen to, Ryan. The way you put together as well. The article was really good. Well done.
Yeah, so ako hopefully within the next 44 weeks, hanggang December, pipili po ako ng mga tao dito sa Wairarapa na i-feature po natin.
Yeah.
So, yun, Dennis is one from Featherstone. So, mamimili na naman ako dito sa Masterton and then South Wairarapa uli or Carterton. Tapos, baka yung mga sa Ikitauna na rin.
Yeah.
Mag-feature tayo doon. Lalo na yung mga leaders doon na I would like to have the opportunity to actually interview them.
Yeah.
When we get the chance. Ang problema lang kasi, hindi lang talaga sila, most of the personalities I've invited to the show do work and they finish their work at 5. Yung show po natin, alas 4 lang eh. So sayang.
Would Dennis be listening or he's still
I believe, I'm not really sure but I told him that he will be featured this week.
Yeah.
So alam niya to. Kasi pinabasa ko yung article muna sa kanya, baka nagkamali. Nagkamali nga, hindi lang pala 40,000 yung kanyang followers, 56,000.
So he gets money for it now?
Yeah, so apart from because it's his social media platform, when you reach that level of following,
yeah,
you do start getting incentives.
Yeah.
Hindi naman sa yun. So part yan siya ng growing na awareness of Facebook.
Okay.
Lahat naman talaga if you go into like the professional version of it, even though you may only have like 10,000 followers, you will still get money.
Just a little bit. I
Oh.
think. Yeah.
Hindi,
Yeah.
the more followers, not necessarily kasi minsan, meron ka ngang 56,000 followers, o sabihin natin kay Sosyo, katulad yan, recently, I think yesterday or the day before, he reached 1 million views eh.
All right. Okay.
So, pero 56,000 lang yung followers niya. So, maraming mga hindi niya followers na nanonood na sa kanya.
Okay.
Meaning, he's already made a strong impact, especially with his passion for music.
Yeah. Is that his music?
Music talaga yan kanya.
Okay.
Pero, excuse me, nakapasama din kasi doon yung value of family. Pinopost din niya yung mga namin, yung mga music ministry namin with the church.
Okay.
So, it's not just the music itself.
Yeah.
That primarily may be the carrier of his platform, but he also sort of shares his life with his followers. O 56,000 yan all over the world.
That's
So
a lot. Yeah.
that's really
That's
a lot. Ako nga, ilan lang sa akin?
Pero
2,000?
libo-libo ka na rin.
Hindi, 2,000.
Yeah.
Oh, pero hanggang doon lang. Kasi namimili ako. Tinatanggal ko yung hindi ko gusto. Yan lang naman yung difference eh. Pero for Spotlight of the Week, yun yung namin feature, like I said, that we can feature an event, an occasion, or a person.
That's really good.
So,
and the article is very impressive and very inspiring too. So Dennis, keep up the
good
great work.
yeah.
And then there are other farm managers din dito sa Wairarapa.
No, marami din. May mga farm mga dairy farm workers tayo na at manager levels na.
That's really good.
Yeah.
That just showcase the skills and talents of our people. So I know si Charles from Ikitahuna, he's a farm manager as well.
Yeah.
So I don't know if you have met him.
Yeah, I met him. Ano nga apelyido ni Charles tsaka ni Janela?
Oo. They go to our church.
Yeah. I know.
Yeah.
I know who goes to your church. Alam ko yun.
Yeah. Okay, so that's really good. Anything else?
Yeah, so ang events lang po natin, like I sort of promised, I've been doing this over the last 4 months now, is the announcement of the Eraserheads Reunion World Tour. This coming March 15 na po. That's barely 4 weeks away at the Trust Arena in Auckland. So yung mga tickets, like I promised, VIP is priced at $355 per ticket, Premium $285, Reserve $255, and General Admission is $205. So yung sa VIP, especially $355, kasama na yung signing. May mga special yung VIP na before the show, I think that they can come in and have a photo opportunity with the band themselves, signing of autographs and stuff. So may perks yung VIP. Yung premium, ang kagandahan lang ng premium, nasa harapan ka. And then yung reserve at saka yung general admission, yung surrounding na ng stage. Pero yung premium at saka VIP, sa harapan talaga yan. Yung abot yung laway ng singer sa'yo. Parang gano'n. So that's Eraserheads Reunion World Tour. Ang huling El Bimbo concert, March 15, 2025, Saturday. That's a Saturday at Trust Arena in Auckland. So, and then ang isang event na ina-announce po is our upcoming Wairarapa Filipino Sports League, Autumn Sports League for 2025. Details of the expression of interest has been posted on our group pages. So, yung 4 na events po, men's volleyball, men's basketball, mixed volleyball, mixed badminton, individual open darts, male and female yan, and then yung senior bowling. So, people over 40 can play the senior bowling. So, for details, just go to our group page, or you can make an inquiry directly to me. Just contact me on my mobile or my messenger. DM me for more details. And then, ang isa pang announcement na i-announce ko. So, I've already started developing a plan for our English courses. So, it's not IELTS. It's your everyday English language. So, no different what is being provided by some providers in Wellington. particularly English Partners New Zealand. So that's an organization. They can provide you free lessons, but you also have to pay some contributions to it. So I'm doing the same model of teaching um, uh, through the Wairarapa Filipino Society. So the English courses, we will have a meet and greet on the 1st of March, same day as the opening day ng Autumn League, but it's in the morning. So we can actually plan the next sessions about your so the course will run through for 3 months. So every other Saturday
Okay.
in the
So every
morning.
fortnight.
No, may weekly siya, depende sa schedule. But it has to be it will run for 16 weeks, and then there would be like 12 session out of the 16. So depende sa availability. So if you're interested to do like the day-to-day English course, please come so you can get the details, further details. So at least ito mas maganda kasi face-to-face lesson siya, and pwede din siyang hybrid or online. So you can save the online online
Link.
link, and then you can repeat the class session every if you want to, just to be
That's really good.
familiar
Yeah.
with it. Yeah. All right, and then personal shout out ko lang po to Princess Liboon, who's a new Filipino optometrist in Specsavers.
She works full time.
Full time, yeah, as eye specialist, yeah, optometrist. Hindi siya technician, optometrist talaga.
Optometrist talaga. Yeah.
Optometrist talaga. So she's new. She hails from Auckland, and she transferred here to start her work at Specsavers Masterton. So
That's good. Huh?
so personal shout out ko yan to the lovely Princess. Wala siya ngayon, nasa Melbourne, nag-induction.
Oh, from Specsavers.
Through Specsavers.
Okay.
So yan lang po sa akin. Balik sa'yo, Ate Kini.
Okay. Thank you so much, Ryan. And welcome, Princess, to the Wairarapa.